Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to day trade Robinhood, only way. Start by setting a firm risk percentage and daily loss limit so one bad streak cannot wipe you out. Choose high liquidity instruments and stick to a few watchlist names to reduce surprises. Use limit orders and size positions relative to buying power. Practice in a simulated account until your rules show consistent positive expectancy and confidence. Configure your workspace for speed and clarity, with real-time quotes and a clean chart layout that highlights support, resistance, and volume. Set up watch lists and hotkeys to execute limit orders quickly, and keep position sizes consistent with your risk tolerance. Record every trade in a simple journal to analyze patterns and improve. Review losing trades for mistakes and winning trades for repeatable edges to refine your strategy over time. Protecting capital is the non-negotiable priority, so size trades to risk just 1 to 2% of your account on any setup. Always place stop losses based on technical levels and never move them impulsively. If you need to adapt, follow a documented rule. Track your daily trade count and buying power to avoid pattern day trader limits, and factor commissions and fees into your profit targets for realistic expectations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.